How to create Snapchat account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to create a Snapchat account, go ahead and open your Snapchat application. For that, you need to install the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now, in order to create a Snapchat account, on the home page, you need to tap on sign up, that is in the left hand side of the screen, which is beside the switch account option. Now you need to go ahead and enter your first name and last name in this box. After that, tap on agree and continue, which is highlighted in blue color. Now you need to go ahead and enter your birthday. Now you can go ahead and change your username or simply use the username that has been provided by the Snapchat. If you want to change, go ahead and tap on change my username. Then select your username that you'd like to set. Then tap on continue, which is in the bottom highlighted in blue color. Now you need to set a password for your account. And the password must be 8 characters long. Once you've set it, go ahead and check this box to save your login info on your device. Then tap on continue, which is highlighted in blue color. Now in the next page, select the email address or phone number that you'd like to associate with your account. You can also choose to create your Bitmoji by using your camera to instantly create an avatar that looks like you. If you want, tap on continue, or you can skip this part and do it later. And that's it. Your new Snapchat account has been created. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.